There's been a viral TikTok trend in the past few years about carving a pumpkin with a pressure washer. I think it's kind of weird, but it's a little bit fun. So we're gonna give it a shot today. So I've got my 2700 PSI Westinghouse pressure washer and my pumpkin. So let's see what happens. All right, here we go. If this is what you want your jack-o'-lantern to look like, then this might be the method for you. As for me, no control, sloppy work. I consider this a TikTok trend that's busted.